Did you know that in medieval Europe, people believed sneezing could bring either blessings or curses? Sneezing was considered a sign from the gods, and the way it sounded could determine whether it was a good or bad omen. Some believed that saying, "bless you," after a sneeze would ward off evil spirits and bring good luck. However, others thought that sneezing without a response could invite malevolent forces into your life. So next time you sneeze, think about the ancient superstitions surrounding this common bodily function. What do you believe, blessings or curses? Share your thoughts in the comments.